Some players have been experiencing Fall Guys LS-0013 error code and stating on screen, could not launch your Fall Guys. Please verify the installation. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Verify the game. Open Epic Game Launcher. Navigate to Library. On the Fall Guys game, click 3 dot, then select Verify. Once done, try play the Fall Guys game again and check if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Disable administrator privileges. First of all, open up the File Explorer window. Once you have done that, navigate to the folder where Fall Guys is installed. After that, right-click on the Fall Guys client file provided and from the drop-down menu, choose the Properties option. On the Properties window, switch to the Compatibility tab. There, uncheck the Run this program as an administrator option. After that, do the same for the Fall Guys client game and Fall Guys EAC launcher file provided as well. Once you have done that, go ahead and try launching the game again to see if the problem still occurs. Method 3. Clear Epic Games Launcher Web Cache. Exit the Epic Games Launcher. Next, press Windows key R to invoke the Run dialog. In the Run dialog box, type %localopdata% and press Enter. At the location, open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open the saved folder. Click the Web Cache folder, and then tap the Delete key on your keyboard. Restart your computer. Once done, start the Fall Guys. The error should be resolved. If not, try the next method. Method 4. Disable your antivirus. You can also try disabling your antivirus and then see if the error is fixed or not. The error might be caused due to your overprotective security suite or antivirus. It might be blocking your game from being launched and thus causing the launch error. Hence, turn off your antivirus and then relaunch the game. Check whether or not the error has stopped now. If you are able to launch Fall Guys without the launch error, you can be sure your antivirus is the main culprit. Now, disabling your antivirus permanently is not recommended as it can invite viruses and malware to your system. So, add the Fall Guys game to the exception or exclusion list of your antivirus to fix the error. Method 5. Allow app through Windows Firewall. Press Windows key, then type Firewall. Next, select Allow app through Windows Firewall. Now, click on Change Settings. Browse through the list of allowed apps and features to see if Fall Guys is included. If not, click Change Settings, click Allow another app, then follow the on-screen instructions to add Fall Guys.x to the allowed apps list. Once completed, click OK. Launch the game once again and see if error still throws up.